Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, confident in your outfit, but something just felt off? You looked polished, elegant even, but the reflection staring back seemed a little tired, like the colors weren't celebrating your glow the way they used to? You're not imagining it, because after 60, the shades and styles that once enhanced your natural beauty can start working against you. But here's the secret. It's not about chasing youth. It's about understanding how your rich skin tone, texture, and undertones evolve, and how a few smart style tweaks can bring your radiance right back to life. Today, we're uncovering the 3 colors and styles mature Black women should stop wearing immediately. Not to limit your choices, but to help you reclaim that magnetic presence that turns heads effortlessly. So before we dive in, make sure you're part of this beautiful community of confident, stylish women. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love knowing where my elegant sisters are tuning in from around the world. Let's start with something every stylish woman over 60 should know. Color has power. It can lift your face, soften your features, and make your skin look luminous. Or it can do the exact opposite. As we mature, our skin tone doesn't lose its beauty. It gains depth and character. But some colors we loved in our 40s or 50s might now clash with the warmth and richness of our evolved complexion. You see, black skin, in all its gorgeous shades of bronze, mahogany, ebony, and caramel, reflects light differently as we age. Undertones shift slightly, melanin distribution changes, and the way fabrics interact with our skin alters too. That's why certain hues that once popped can suddenly make us look dull or washed out. The first color to avoid? Ashy gray. Now, gray can be chic, but the wrong tone can make the skin appear flat and lifeless. When the fabric has too much coolness or a blue base, it competes with the natural warmth of black skin, especially when melanin-rich skin becomes slightly softer in undertone over time. Instead, try charcoal, warm taupe, or even deep mocha. These shades enhance contrast and give a glow that reads sophisticated, not tired. And while we're here, let's talk about pastel tones. Light lavender, baby pink, powder blue, they can easily rob the skin of its richness, leaving a pale cast that exaggerates fine lines or texture. Swap them for vibrant jewel tones like amethyst, emerald, or deep coral. These shades make your skin look alive, eyes brighter, and your smile warmer. Fashion isn't about denying age. It's about dressing with intention, understanding what enhances the woman you are today. So if you're nodding along because that gray cardigan suddenly feels blah, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and drop a comment telling me which color you think drains your glow. I love hearing your personal style stories. They make this space so much richer. Now let's talk about the second sneaky style mistake that can add years without you even realizing it. And this one often hides right in plain sight inside our closets. I'm talking about muted beige and dusty neutrals. You know the ones. That oatmeal cardigan or tan blouse that feels safe and goes with everything. But here's the truth. While neutrals can look sophisticated, the wrong undertone can make rich, melanated skin appear dull or even grayish. These soft, faded shades lack the contrast that your gorgeous complexion needs to truly shine. When we wear colors that are too close to our skin tone, especially if they're pale or desaturated, we lose that radiant dimension that keeps us looking fresh and alive. Instead, lean into warm neutrals like golden caramel, cinnamon, or rich honey brown. These tones mirror the warmth of your skin and bring light to your face instead of draining it. Think of it like this. Your wardrobe should illuminate you, not camouflage you. The moment you choose colors that reflect your vibrancy instead of muting it, your entire look transforms. No surgery, no heavy makeup, just the magic of color harmony. And while we're on it, let's talk about style. If your go-to outfit is a loose, boxy top to hide everything, it's time to rethink that. Oversized shapes without structure can overwhelm your frame and make you look shapeless. Instead, try softly tailored pieces that follow your silhouette. Not cling, but glide. Think flow, not volume. If you're nodding right now because you've noticed this in your own wardrobe, take a second to like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share in the comments which color or cut you've recently retired. It's always inspiring to hear how other stylish women are refining their looks with grace. Now, stay with me, because the next color and style mistake might surprise you. It's one I see even fashion-savvy women make, and fixing it can instantly lift your entire presence. Now let's get into the third color and style choice that can make even the most confident woman appear older than she feels. And this one surprises almost everyone. It's the overuse of black. I know. Black is classic, slimming, elegant, but on mature, melanated skin, too much black can actually flatten your features. It absorbs light instead of reflecting it, which can make your face look more tired or your beautiful undertones disappear. Black doesn't highlight your radiance, it hides it. Here's what happens. As we age, our skin naturally loses a bit of luminosity, and dark, heavy fabrics can emphasize shadows around the mouth, eyes, and jawline. That's why sometimes, even with a flawless outfit, you might feel like something's missing. It's not your imagination, it's the color. Instead, experiment with deep, luxurious alternatives that give you all the sophistication of black, but add warmth and life. Try espresso brown, plum, midnight navy, or even deep emerald. They still feel refined, but bring back that glow that turns heads. These tones frame your complexion beautifully and allow your natural warmth to shine through. And as for style, avoid overly stiff fabrics or sharp, angular cuts. They can harden your look and create visual tension around the shoulders and neck. Soft tailoring, fluid lines, and fabrics with movement, like crepe, silk blends, or matte jersey, create grace and confidence. You don't need rigid formality to look powerful. Ease and elegance are your best accessories now. When you see yourself in the mirror wearing these tones, you'll notice your eyes brighten, your smile softens, and your confidence rises. That's what true timeless fashion does. And before we move forward, if you're loving these tips and want to keep learning how to master fashion that celebrates your beauty as a mature black woman, click the card that's popping up right now. It'll take you to another video where I dive deeper into how to choose colors that enhance your glow and make every outfit feel effortlessly elegant. You're going to love it. Now that we've uncovered the 3 major culprits that can add years to your look, ashy gray, muted beige, and flat black, let's take a moment to understand why these changes matter so much and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. See, color and style are not just about appearance, they're about energy. Every shade you wear reflects light back onto your skin and into the world. When your colors are in harmony with your undertone, they don't just make you look vibrant, they make you feel vibrant. The beauty of black women over 60 is in the story your skin tells, the richness, the depth, the warmth. So instead of reaching for dull or lifeless hues, choose tones that echo your natural brilliance. Swap cold neutrals for bronze, terracotta, or cocoa. Exchange flat black for deep aubergine or mocha brown. Replace pastel pinks with rosewood or coral clay. These hues bring warmth, balance, and confidence. They don't fight your complexion, they celebrate it. And let's talk about texture and fabric movement, because this is where style becomes poetry. Heavy matte fabrics can weigh you down visually, while light, fluid materials, satin, chiffon, jersey, or crepe, create softness and motion that mirrors grace. Clothes should move with you, not against you. Structured pieces like blazers or tailored pants can still be powerful, but look for gentle shaping instead of sharp edges. Think curved seams, draped collars, or belted silhouettes that define your waist without constriction. The goal isn't to hide your body. It's to honor its shape, its story, and its strength. Now, I know trends come and go, but your personal style should be timeless, a reflection of who you are now. You've earned the right to express yourself boldly. Add prints that celebrate your heritage, African-inspired patterns, metallic accents, or jewel-toned accessories that tell the world, I know who I am. And here's something fashion magazines rarely say. You are the trend. When a confident, mature black woman walks into a room with color, ease, and authenticity, she redefines what elegance means. You're not chasing youth, you're redefining beauty on your own terms. So take these principles as tools of empowerment, not restriction. Play, experiment, mix tones, and find what lights you up inside. Because at this stage, fashion isn't about following rules, it's about writing your own. Every outfit can tell your story, one of confidence, grace, and bold self-celebration. So, my beautiful sister, remember this: it's not about following rigid fashion rules, it's about choosing colors and styles that let your inner light shine through. Avoiding those 3 aging shades isn't about hiding age, it's about honoring your evolution. When you dress in harmony with your tone, texture, and energy, your confidence becomes your most stunning accessory. You are living proof that elegance has no expiration date. If this video inspired you, show some love. Like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and tell me in the comments what color you're excited to try next or where you're watching from. I can't wait to celebrate your glow in the next video.